We out here. We got the Rose Back to Me official MV. You already know. Got the English on deck. You already know. This is probably gonna go on YouTube. So
Battery
everybody
20%.
don't interrupt me. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. The Rose Back to Me. It's off the bat. It goes hard.
I can make you mad, I can make you scream, I can make you cry, I can make you leave, I can make you hate me for everything.
Okay.
I can't make you come back to me.
Great start, by the way. Great start. Listen, damn.
But I can't make you come
Back to me. Ooh, with the silver hair too? Oh, crazy ass handheld shots. Hey, 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 hey. Make you come back to me. Damn, you already got me singing that shit. But you can't get... What did you say? I can't make you come back to me. Sorry. I'm gonna leave this singing to Wusong. Damn. Ooh. True. What tea is this? I can make. Ooh. Yeah, he's really in it. I feel the emotion. Sammy and Leo's voice are just so. Oh my god, no, for real. Wait, let me hear it. Can't make you back to me. Oh, bro, when am I gonna hear them live again? Because, ooh, let's go, Leo. When I see you tonight. Damn. Oh, they on their emo shit. They on their emo shit. It was pretty addictive. You mad, I can make you scream, I can make you cry, I can make you leave, but I make you hate. Ooh, I already done it. Ooh, he's going in with a strumming. Woo! Get in there. But I can't make you go back to me. Bro, put this in my emo playlist, bro. Ooh, the vocals in the background too. Hey, you better get that bass. Let's go, drummer. Hey, 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 hey. But I can't make you come back to me. Oh shit, I would lose my shit if I heard this live actually. It's pretty easy to listen to too, actually. Ooh. Oh, okay, badasses. Let's go. Come through. Ah. Damn. Damn. Can we get some love in the chat? Let's get some love. Hey. Yo, hype it up. Dang. Just from the beginning too.
Make you hate me for everything,
But I can't make you come back to me. That's what would happen if I actually cared about my exes, but I don't. Fuck all y'all.
instead of pulling my weight, always pushing my luck. You give me all that I can take, yeah, I'll take me.
Woo! Make you mad, I can make you scream, I can make you cry, I can make you leave, I can make you hate me forever. I already know it. And you can't make you come back to me.
I can make a world.
That's fire. Just like that good feeling and just like to get it all out kind of vibe, right? Whew. Anyways, shout out to the Rose. And thanks for making dope music. Right? Right? Yeah. Listen, BM, I know you're proud of Cake, and I'm definitely gonna be checking out the dance practice. I can't wait. But without further ado, let's check out Cake. This is just a dance practice though. Go stream it, y'all. All right, let me see this. Got Joseph. Okay. Yes. Okay, camera guy or post editing. I like this.
Turn it up right now.
Ooh. This is gonna be fire live. Oh, I can't wait to see them live. Hey, mix that shit up. Yeah. I'm sorry. When he did this shit, I was like, damn. You go be careful with them double D's, BM. You already know what you packing. Okay. Oh, the girls are killing it too. Get it, get it, get it. Woo.
Don't you wanna taste? Make you wanna put your tongue on my cake.
Okay, Miss Mills. Okay, Miss. Hey, yo. Okay, okay. Okay.
Baby on the box, get dinner. Straight to the cave from a winner. Baby, I ain't no beginner. Get you mother say I chicken number LI.
She ain't no beginner. She getting it. She always gets it though. Woo! I see that. I hear the vocal. I like how she growled too. Like the growling of like. Dang, he's swanging. Okay, okay. He got the middle. Hey, hey, hey. Mix it up, mix it up. Why not top? Hey, drop it low one time. Hey. Oh shit. That's fire. Okay, Jason. Woo. Hey, get it. Get it, get it, get it.
Baby, on the bomb, skipped and now straight to the cave.
You know what's crazy? I said a lot without saying anything. You know what I said. And if you don't know, figure it out.
Baby, on the bomb, skipped and now straight to the cave from a winner.
Nah, BM is just showing off. BM is just showing off. See, that's the thing. BM is just showing off. He's just showing off. Get them glutes. Get them glutes. Them cakes. Damn. I know damn well them pants be hot. It be sweaty down there. I'm talking about BM's pants, by the way. Damn. Oh, she's killing it. Them body rolls are fire. Woo! I like this part. This is one of my favorite parts of the song right here. You better get yours. Woo! Okay, let me just make this announcement. Okay, so it's not even done yet. How we got like what? A little bit left. If you're not going to a card show, you should go to a card show. Just feeling from this dance practice, it seems like it's gonna be freaking epic. It's gonna get freaky. It's gonna be a party. I do want to hear Bend That Boy too. It's gonna get fucking lit. Go get your tickets. They're not even freaking paying me to say that. I'm not sponsored by them. Yes, BM might be a holdie. Holdie? Yes, BM might be a homie. But from what I'm seeing, this is, you know what's crazy? I never said this. I never told BM this. If he ever sees this video, awesome. I retired from standing in pit from KARD's very first show in Houston. KARD, your fans go hard. I have never in my life been in a sea of people like that in a crowd until KARD. Like, it was hard to deal with, and I was in the front. I'm like, girl, I have to use my fucking muscles just to push. Like, bro. Y'all go ham. It must be a mosh pit in there. But anyways, that's my little PSA. Let's go back and finish this, shall we? Damn, he looking at that ish like serious. He performing on some Magic Mike type of ish. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I don't know if you guys are gonna be at the card show August 2nd. I'll probably see you there if you are. Cake, KARD. That was just a little taste. Legit. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.